Good morning, dear children. So I hope you must have completed exercise 4.6. Today we are moving to our next topic, that is word problems on division. Okay, so today we will be solving some word problems related to division. So let's move to our first word problem, that is a school building had 4 floors with equal number of children on each floor. If there were 6,900 children, how many children were there on each floor? So let us first understand the question. A school building had 4 floors. So suppose this is a school building. Okay, it has 4 floors. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and total number of students, you are given with total number of students, that are 6,900 children. Are total children in this building are 6,900. Okay, and the school building is divided into 4 floors. We have to find the number of children in each floor. Okay, we have to find the number of children in each floor. Now, for finding children in each floor, we have to divide 6,900, the total number of children, with number of floors, that are 4. Okay, so for the word problem, you have to write the statement total number of children. You have to write first what is given in the question, that is total number of children, that are 6,900. Okay, now you have to write number of floors, that are 4. Okay, now you have to find children, how many children were there on each floor. So for that you have to write the statement number of children in each floor, that is equal to, and for that you have to divide 6,900 with 4. Okay, space is less here, so I have to rub the statements for dividing 6,900 divided by 4. Okay, so 4 ones are 4. So I hope till now you have understood how to divide. 6 minus 4, 2, and 9 will come here, 29. Okay, 4 7s are 28. We have to take 1 or 2 number less than the number here. Okay, 9 minus 8, 1 and 0. Now 4 2s are 8, 10 minus 8, 2. Again 0 will come here, and 4 5s are 20. Okay, so 0 remainder, and our answer is 1725. So we can say that number of children in each floor, that is equal to 1725 children are there in each floor. Okay, so you have to write the statement first, then you have to properly solve the division, and then you have to write the answer in its respective place, where you have written number of children in each floor, that is equal to 1725. Our second question is 7 2 4 5 roses are to be packed equally into 9 crates. How many roses were packed in each crate? Okay, so total number of roses are 7,245 and number of crates are 9. What we have to do? We have to find the number of roses in each crate. So for example, let us suppose these are 9 crates. Okay, so these are 9 crates and total number of roses are 7,245. So we have to distribute these 7,245 roses equally into these 9 crates. Okay, we have to find how many roses will come equally in these 9 crates. Okay, now for this question we have to write the statement total number of roses, that are 7,245. Now number of crates, that is 9. We have to find number of roses in each crate. If we have to find in any question, if the word each is written, it means you have to divide. Okay, if in any question each word is written, it means you have to divide. Each will not be written in multiplication word problem, neither in addition and nor in subtraction word problem. It will only be written in division word problem. So this is a key word, how to find what we have to do. Okay, either addition, multiplication, subtraction or division. So if each is written in any sentence or any question, you have to divide. So we have to find number of roses in each packet. Each means how many roses will come in one crate. Okay, each means हर एक में कितना आएगा. So for that we have to divide 7,245 divided by 9. 7,245 divided by 9 if it is not coming on that side. Now you have to properly divide 7,245 by 9. Okay, so 9 8s are 72, because we cannot take 7 in a single digit, because 7 will not be divided by 9 because it is lesser number than 9. So we have to take two numbers, 72. 8 9s are 72, that is 0. Now take 4. 4 is also not divisible from 9. So we have to take two numbers, and whenever we take two numbers in division, we have to place 0. Okay, before writing the question we have to write 0. So 4 and we have to take another number 5. It will become 45. Now 9 5s are 45 and no remainder. So 805 is our answer. So we can write here number of roses in each crate, that is equal to 805. How many roses will come in each crate? 805. Moving on to our third question, question number 3. If rupees 9,635 is to be divided equally among 5 people, how much will each person get? Okay, so what you have been given here? Total amount, that is 9,635, and number of people 5. So first you have to write what is given to you. Total amount, that is equal to 9,635. Okay, now number of people 5. How much will each person get? You have to find how much each person will get. So we have to write amount or total amount each person will get that is equal to, we have what is written here, each person, हर एक को कितना मिलेगा. What we have to do, we have to divide 9635 with 5. Okay. Okay. So 5 ones are 5. 9 minus 5, 4. Okay. So we have to take 6 here. 5 9s are 45. 6 minus 5, 1 and 3. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. We have to take 5 2s are 10. 3 minus 0, 3. 1 minus 0, sorry, 1 minus 1, 0. And 5. Okay, so 35. 5 7s are 35. And we are left with no remainder or 0 remainder. 1927 is the amount that each person will get. Okay, so it is the amount. So where we have written total amount each person will get, that is equal to 1927. Whenever you have to find about one person, one thing, or about any object, if we have to find about one thing, so we have to divide, and whenever each will return, it means definitely it means that we have to divide, okay, the given numbers. So I hope children you must have understood that how we have to divide or how we can solve word problems related to division. So I hope you will do these questions in your copy from question number 1 to question number 7. You have to do it in your copy. Okay. So stay safe and stay happy and stay healthy in your home and study well. Okay. Thank you.